10 Best Celery Juicers in 2020 brought to you by Advanced Mixology. Juiced celery is one of the go-to food items to stave off hunger because of its high water content. Let's take a look at the best celery juicers in 2020. Check the links given in the description box below. Omega NC900HDC Juicer Extractor is the best overall. The best juicer for celery is Breville JE98XL Juice Fountain. Aicok Slow Masticating Juicer is the best budget juicer. Let's check our top 10 options. At number 10, we have Calm Slow Juicer Extractor with Ceramic Auger. If you hate discolored juices, Calm Slow Juice Extractor is the best choice for you. Try Best GSE 5050 Green Star Elite is at number 9. This juicer is the best for those who are committed juice enthusiasts. At number 8, Omega NC900HDC Juicer Extractor. You will love this for quiet operation and clean design. At number 7, we have Bella 13694 High Power Juice Extractor. This is a great starter juicer for those who want to try juicing for the first time. Baguette Fruit and Vegetable Juicer is at number 6. This juicer will be a good choice to start for its versatility and functionality. We have Aicok Slow Masticating Juicer at number 5. This budget-friendly cold press juicer can perfectly separate juice and pulp, extracting higher purity juice and preserving higher nutritional value. At number 4, Cuisinart CJE1000 Die-Cast Juice Extractor. If you want your juicer to work more quickly, then Cuisinart CJE1000 Die-Cast Juice Extractor will be a good choice for you. KOIOS Masticating Juicer Machine gets the third position. This functional masticating juicer is surely an amazing gift for every celery juice lover. At number 2, we have Aicok Slow Masticating Juicer Extractor. You can start with this slow juicer which can provide high-quality juices. Breville JE98XL Juice Fountain Cold XL gets the top position. This juicer is well known for its easy operation and safety precautions. You can buy any of these celery juicers by clicking on the links given in the video description below. Learn more about cocktails and liquors at our website, advancedmixology.com.